What are the different career domains available for commerce students apart from CA?
If we decide what is career, career is not only getting a job opportunity. Career is not getting a monthly pay. Career, according to me, harnessing the talent of a particular student. God has given a talent to everybody. That talent is required to be harnessed. So I will say, a person is making a career when he is utilizing infrastructure. When I say infrastructure, according to me, there are 6 organs God has given to everybody. One is brain. He has to understand speedily, because this is a competitive word. Number 2, ears. He has to hear the good things, absorb. Number 3, eyes. He has to read. Number 4, mouth. He has to talk. Hand. He has to write. And with these 5 organs, he has to walk. I think walking also will not be proper. He has to run. That means to make a career, one must harness, one must utilize all these organs, and then he has to go ahead. So making a career means he should get satisfaction. Simultaneously, he should get money. He should be able to apply the knowledge what he has gained at the time of formal education or at the time of professional education. Then you can say you make a career. Now, apart from the CA is one of the professional course. Number of opportunities are available to the commerce students. I can say, under the Act of Parliament, there are 3 institutes right now are working. One is Institute of Chartered Accountants of India, which is the oldest one, established in 1949. Number 2, Institute of Cost and Works Accountants of India, the cost accountant. Number 3, Institute of Company Secretaries of India. So student can also pursue the CWA or the CS course. Number of times it so happens, a chartered accountant is also pursuing the CWA course, chartered accountant also pursuing company secretary course, or vice versa. Now, in addition to these 3 professional courses, one can join BBA, Bachelor of Business Administration. One can join, thereafter he can pursue Master of Business Administration. You may be aware about the Certified Financial Analyst, one of the course of US. Now that is not recognized by the Parliament or by the government in India, but this Certified Financial Analyst give number of opportunities in the banks and the mutual funds. In addition to this, student can also pursue Export-Import Diploma, which is also available with the Pune University also. Very important is actuary. If a student is having the liking of mathematics and the information technology knowledge, he can pursue the actuary course also. There is a shortage of actuaries. Now, students can also pursue MPSC or the UPSC examination and join the governmental departments. Now, this is as far as industry is concerned. You are aware, as far as academics is concerned, a student can pursue MCom, he can do MPhil, he can do PhD, and he can join the academics in the education institutions. So, number of opportunities are available. What is required for the career? Specialization. When I say the specialization, mere bookish knowledge of a commerce student is not enough for the industries. Industries require something plus. So there is a gap right now between the actual requirement and the bookish knowledge what is gained by them. That means exposure is required. Now what type of exposure commerce student must have? He must have the exposure in accounts. Now accounts does not mean now the books of accounts are written by hand. Books of accounts are with e-technology. So you must understand the ERP, number of accounts packages, number of other packages. Student must understand finance, how the funds are raised by the industries. He must understand about taxation, income tax, excise, custom, service tax, VAT. Very important is commerce student, or by that way, every person must have adequate knowledge of information technology, because everywhere there is e-compliance, whether it is income tax return, whether it's service tax return, whether it's VAT return, everything is required by e-compliance. And therefore I can say a student must know e-compliances. He must understand the information technology, not at specialized level, even at working level, and he must understand the enterprise resource planning packages which are available with the industries. In case, if he is having this type of background knowledge, certainly the student will be able to make good career as far as commerce is concerned.